AB square is equal to AC square minus BC square. Note that we want to find AB. Substituting the values, A minus B. So it is 25 square, which is AC square, minus 7 square, which is BC square. So if you want to evaluate this, you will square this 25, square this 7, you do the subtraction. Instead, if you use this formula, A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B, the calculation here becomes simpler. In this case, the formula tells that it is 25 plus 7 into 25 minus 7. So here this 25 is A, 7 is B. Okay. 25 plus 7 is 32, 25 minus 7 is 18. Okay. Now again there is a small trick which we can do. This 32 you can factorize and write as 2 into 16, so that finding the square root becomes little easier. So this 32 is written as 2 into 16. This 2 can be taken along with this 18. So 2 can be multiplied by this 18, you will get 36. This 16 will come as it is. So that the square root would be easily found. So square root of 16 is 4, square root of 36 is 6. Therefore, the square root of this term will be 24. 6 into 4, 24. 6 into 4 or 4 into 6, anything is okay. So 24 is the answer, which is the length of AB. Okay. So we will write it near the diagram. So the answer is 24. Understood? Thank you.